Welcome to my channel Durga Tarot, and I am your tarot reader Vaishali Sharma. So let's see what is the current energy or message for you. So here is someone who is coming very dominantly in your energy, and this person was meant to be with you for long term, or maybe you both shared some kind of history, or you do share currently also you both share some kind of partnership. Maybe you are not as close as you are, so you were earlier. So what happening here is, this person sees that you are somewhat closed off from them, and they think that you are holding to some kind of like remorse. You are remorseful towards them. Okay, so, because see, now these are all this person's thoughts and feelings which is coming in this reading. So, what has happened between you both is here. See, they were not the best partner for you, or whatever responsibilities they had, they couldn't fulfill at their best. Means they were they were when there was the need to be accountable and responsible, this person just tried to act smart and just ignore the things that needed to be fixed, and they constantly just try to uh, like mold the situation and topic into something chaotic. And now they are seeing that although they were not there for you, still you have somehow managed to move forward, and your life and your journey was not as good as it seems. It was very difficult, yet you didn't give up. You kept on doing your job, doing your work. Now they see a sense of a stability in you, and it is that kind of a stability that you are holding your ground very strongly, and you are not allowing this person into your energy or in your like life or personal space. You are very strict with your boundaries currently, and your mind is also in, means they are not finding you that emotionally available as you were earlier, and they think that you have been on the edge when they were around you. You have always walked on the eggshells when they were in the relationship or when you both were together. Still somehow they made everything difficult for you. They did everything possible that you give up on your dreams, or you give up on just being happy or moving forward. Yet you kept on doing your thing and created a life of your own. Now what happening is, this person wants to give something to you which is promising and tangible, and this time they are not coming from a hollow place, but this time they want that solidity with you. They want to create something stable with you, and this time they want to give you something which is not uh, coming from like from a sense of immaturity, but they are here with a solid plan, and they want to now rise up to your level, and they want to bring this connection or your relationship to something meaningful, and they are ready to do the work. And here I am getting majority of the work they have already done, and they have created something solid, which I think you will look into, like you will consider that yes, something is has changed, something has changed for better. Now let's see what are the cards. Yeah. Yes, this this journey was very tiring for you, and this relationship and this whole connection took a lot of patience from your side, because you felt like stuck with this person, because this person was so rigid and so full of himself that he was not ready to see the truth. It was nothing that you were asking for your like personal benefits or desires, or you were some immature person. No, this person was not ready to even see the basic commonalities or basic things of life. It He was not ready to accept it. First of all, he was in a huge denial. He just want to do things by his way only, and also his ways were so immature. Okay, if see, what happened is, there is nothing wrong by going in one person's way in a relationship, but that way must have some sense, na. That way must hold some depth. That way must hold some like integrity. But what happening was, this person had no values, no sense. He was making no sense, but all along he wanted that things should be my way and only my way, and he was not ready to understand also that from where you were coming. And now, and whatever he gave to you and whatever you received from this person was like breadcrumbing to you, and that was meaningless, and that was totally unacceptable. It's not only just about you. Any person at that time who can step into your shoe might have done the right same things that you have done. But now what's happening is, with time and patience, as the time has passed, this person has like gone deep into their own like things and own shit, that what they have done and what they have created. And now they have been like thinking and brainstorming whether the attitude they have given to you, it was necessary, or it was right or wrong. So now this person is kind of studying their own things and studying their own behavior and his own approach to this connection or to you. So now they are in deep regret, and this person is now trying to expand their understanding of you particularly. Okay, that how they must come to you so that you show them some interest, because now this person sees that you are not ready to listen anything, and they think that you, in your eyes, their whatever they'll say, you will find it so foolish and stupid. They think that they have lost all the reputation and all that position and respect in your eyes, and you are not willing to listen to this person. You are not willing to look at this person, because they have caused a lot of pain to you. And you have, see, you are that kind of person, you are not just like gloomy or fantasy type person who is, or romantic person that who is just stuck into their feelings or stuck into like, oh, my partner. No, you have a lot going into your life. You are, I can see, you are a very sporty person, creative person, and you like to study things. You like to always keep on going on to something. You like to try new things. So you kept yourself engaging in such activities because that gave you inner happiness. You are a very wishful person. You are not someone who is always like in means, see, with you there is not a dull moment. This is for sure. And it's not just as if that you are the life of the party. No, it's that even if you are alone, you never feel lonely, or that you don't feel the need to chase someone. You don't feel the need to clarify things to someone. You don't need feel the need to like go and just have friends, or have like that a call talk. No, even if you are alone, you are in a sense of completion. You are not that person who just run after for company or unnecessary companies. So this person sees you again a very stable person. Now see what will happen. See, this is what your personality, and this is how this person is approaching you. Now see what's happening again. See, this is how this person want to see. He want to build a complete life with you, or like whatever it may be, or already if you have a life with this person, or you are in a like full-fledged relationship with this person want to have that a full happiness in it. Now this person don't want to repeat his or her mistake, and this want to claim it that okay, this is my territory, these are my people, and I am the caretaker, and I have some things to do, I have some responsibilities to fulfill, and I will do it. And now they want that you must pack all the things and come to them. They just want things to begin. They want a fresh start with you. So in this place, what you must do, the final question from the cards is what you must do. There is nothing you can do. You just stay happy and do your thing, because there is nothing. Still this is the current energy. You need to understand this. Whatever you are watching in this reading is something which has not like come into real ground, na. It is just in the processing period. This person is, everything you are watching here, listening here, is has not manifested yet in your reality. So see, what you can do is now you just stay happy, stay fulfilled, stay focused on yourself, eat healthy, do good things, do your meditation, do whatever part you have to do. But don't just find this confirm, okay, this will happen, or this person is coming for sure. Don't get in that loop. Okay, loop of expectation. Don't get in that loop of expectation. This is the main guidance from your guides. Okay, so don't just wait for this person that he will reach out or he will give you something, no. Just do your thing, keep working, keep moving on your personal path, whatever path you have chosen, whether it's your studies, whether it's your home life, whether it's your creative work, whether it's your job, whether it's your health routine, and anything that you are currently focused on, or day to day you are focused on. Just keep on doing those day to day things, and that is the most powerful thing that you can do in this situation. So this is what your reading message for today was. And for personal tarot reading, Havan and Mala Jap, you can contact me by the WhatsApp number given in the description box.